Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 35th question of the Algebra chapter. Question says, find the greatest negative integer that x can take so that it satisfies the inequality. So this is the inequality given to us. So it's a quadratic inequality. What I can do is I'll write it as 2x square plus 7x plus 3 is greater than 0, adding 3 on both the sides of the inequality. So now if I factorize it, what do I get? I'll get 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3 is greater than 0. So if I take 2x common here, this will become x plus 3 plus 1 common here, and again it becomes x plus 3, that is greater than 0. So this will become 2x plus 1 times x plus 3 is greater than 0. Okay. So it is 2x square plus 6x, yeah. Alright, so this is what we get now. This is the inequality. We have to find the greatest negative integer of x. So what I'll do is I'll write it on the next screen. It is 2x plus 1 times x plus 3 is greater than 0. Okay. Now we will plot the critical points of this inequality. If x equal to minus 3, this becomes 0. And if x equals to minus 1 by 2, then also it becomes 0. Okay. So these are the values for which it becomes 0. So these are the critical points. Now I have these three regions, which is less than minus 3, in between minus 3 and minus 1 by 2, and greater than minus 1 by 2. We will see that what are the values of x that will satisfy this inequality in what region. So if x is equal to 0, which means x is in this region, which is greater than minus 1 by 2. When x is equal to 0, 2x plus 1 become positive, x plus 3 also becomes positive. Positive into positive is positive, which is greater than 0. That means x equal to 0 satisfies this inequality. So any value in this range will satisfy the inequality. That means I'll put a tick here. So any value in this satisfies the inequality. That means no value here will satisfy, because alternately you will get satisfying and not satisfying in the regions. So here it is satisfying, here it is not satisfying. So here it also should satisfy. Okay, so what do I get is x is less than minus 3 or x is greater than minus 1 by 2. This is what I get. Now the question is saying, find the greatest negative integer that x can take. Okay, so what are the negative integers x can take? So if x is greater than minus 1 by 2, what all integers will you encounter here? You will encounter 0, 1, 2, all these integers. So these are not negative integers. But when x is less than minus 3, what are the negative integers that you encounter? That is minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and so on. Okay. And so these are the negative integers that I get, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and so on. Okay. And what is the greatest among them? Greatest is minus 4. So minus 4 is greatest negative integer. So minus 4 over here is the right answer. Alright, that's how we solve this question.